So how does it work if you want to silence an incoming call on your iPhone? Let's explain that. If you are new to the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe to it because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So whenever you are receiving a call and it's just like loud and everything, you can essentially press any of the physical buttons of your iPhone and the sound will be silenced. So it doesn't matter if you press the volume up or volume down or even the power button, the call will be silenced, but it will still like ring, right? Just pay attention to not double click the power button because this will reject the call, right? So again, if you press it just once, then the call gets silenced. But if you double press it, it will actually be declined and the other person will know that. So just keep that in mind. For the next calls to be silenced, you can of course utilize the silent mode, or you can lower down the ringtone volume by going to the settings, sounds and haptics, and sliding down the ringtone and alert slider, right, to prevent like too loud calls in the future. So that's something you should know. And one last thing is the focus mode, which is also something you shouldn't really avoid if you need to customize your phone, because you can set up a work mode or personal mode where you can block individual people or silence calls from specific, contacts and whatnot. So this might also be another thing which is worth exploring. Now, let me know in the comments if you achieved what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next videos.